Okay, good day, everyone. For those of us who have been asking, how do I check if I'll be given admission? This particular video is for you. First of all, go to your Google Chrome or any of your whatever you are using to browse. Search for Delsu Student Portal. Look at it here, Delsu Student Portal. Then click on it. It's going to take you to Delsu Student Portal here. We have other things here, but you have to focus on the Delsu Student Portal. Click on the Delsu Student Portal. So it's already loading. Okay. You are going to see something like this. You have your username and you have your password. So please, you have to log in with your username. And your username is also the same thing as the reg number, which always starts with 20. And your password will always consist of your surname and your date of birth, which is the surname, your father's name, the year, the month, and the day. So all of them should be together. You are not to write, let's say my surname is Ada. I'll write Ada. I was given birth to 2022. I'll write 2022. Then the month is January. I'll write 01. Then the date is 01. I'll write 01. So my password will be ADA 2022 0101. So it will be there without giving any space. So that's how you log in. Then after that, you click on login. Then immediately after that, you see admission status, which is showing admitted. Assuming I was using a phone, if you go to the top, this place here, it will show there's an icon there. When you click on it, it's going to take us on that part again, showing admitted. Okay, look at it here. So that's how you can easily check if you have been admitted or not. So that's how to check your admission. If your own is not showing admitted, if it's showing complete, it means you have not been given admitted. But if your own is showing admitted, it means you have been admitted into the University of Abraka. But as long as your own is not showing admitted, showing complete, it means you have not been what be admitted. So please, and if your cutoff mark is lower than, if your aggregate rather is lower than Delsu cutoff mark, you have no business with checking if you have been admitted or not. Go and watch my video on Delsu change of course. It's already part of this particular video. If you watch this particular video to the end, you are going to see it there. So I believe that should be all for the now. If you enjoy what I do, smash the subscription button and subscribe to Video Academy.